Hi, I'm Romil. Learn with me and grow together. Hi friends, let's start today's story. Title is You Will Forget Your Sadness. Once a man stood before a gathering of people, sharing insight on life and happiness. In the middle of his talk, someone from the audience raised their hand and asked, Sir, how can we forget our sad memories? The man paused caringly and replied, Please hold that question for a moment. I will answer you soon. He continued with his speech, engaging the crowd with various thoughts and stories. After a while, he decided to lighten the mood by sharing a joke. The audience blew up with the laughter, enjoying the moment together. A few minutes later, he told the same joke again, but this time only a handful of people laughed. When he repeated it for a third time, the room fell completely silent. No one laughed at all. Curious about the change, the man asked, What's going on? Do not you find this joke funny anymore? The audience responded, Sir, how can we laugh at the same joke over and over? It just does not work that way. The man smiled gently and said, Exactly, if you cannot find joy in the same joke repeatedly, then why do you keep play again sad memories in your mind? His words hang in the air, and a thoughtful silence enclosed the room. He went on to explain, just as a joke loses its humor after being told too many times, a past sorrow also loses their significance when we stay on them. If we really want to enjoy life, we should focus on the happiness that surrounds us, rather than getting caught up in sadness from day gone by. He observed that many people in life tend to hold on to the past, allowing negative experience to shape their present. They often forget that those moments are behind them and cannot be changed. Thinking to their memories would not bring anything good. It will only lead to more sorrow, he said with conviction. The man encouraged everyone to let go of their burden and embrace the present moment. Living in now is where true happiness lies, he declared. When we focus on what we have right now rather than what we have lost, we open ourselves up to joy and fulfillment. As he concluded, the crowd sat in deep reflection, realizing the wisdom in what he said. They began to understand that just as the laughter should be cherished in the moment, so should the happiness they find today. With this new perspective, many felt a sense of relief wash over them, ready to step forward into a brighter, more joyful future. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe.